Why I'm telling my Bay Area clients to buy in 2025 before everyone catches on. Inventory is higher, interest rates are available in the low 6% range, and sellers are more approachable and open to negotiation with sales price. What I have found is waiting is not always in the buyer's best interest. Home prices year over year for September are down 1.9%. Inventory is still available, and experts forecast Bay Area home prices are expected to stabilize and resume moderate growth in 2026. The California Association of Realtors projects median home price to increase by 3.6% in 2026. All these economic factors are working in buyers' favor for the first time in years. The timing, the inventory shifts, positioning yourself before the holiday season hits. I've seen it over and over, whether you're buying your first home or finally upgrading. If you're open and willing to work with the right team, this may be your moment to get a great deal. And yes, there's a new buyer's broker compensation agreement that is new in 2025. I'll walk you through it, what it covers, and how we protect your interest. It's time to allow our expertise to provide you with a roadmap to buying your next home. Schedule a strategic real estate planning sessions right now with zero obligation. Just real facts, solid information, and the motivation you need to make 2025 the year you get your dream home. Check my calendar link or just DM me. Let's figure this out together.